Question number 52. The ratio of the number of students in classes A and B is 7:4. The difference between the number of students in class A when increased by 28.56% and again increased by 8.33%, and the number of students in class B is 46. Actually 28.56 is nothing but 2/7. Then 2/7 increase చేద్దామండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? వాట్ ఈస్ 2/7 of 7? That is 2/7 of 7 is 2. If it is increased by 2, this will become 9. 8.33 means 1/12. 1/12 ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తే, అందుకనే మనకి దీంట్లో 1/12 వాల్యూ చెప్పడం కష్టం కాబట్టి సరే ఒక పని చేద్దామండి. 7/4ని 7:4 కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ 2/7 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 14:8 రాయచ్చా? 14:8. సో 2/7 of this, 2/7 of this is 4. If it is increased by 4, it will become 18. And 1/12 of 18, 1/12 of 18 is 1.5. That is 19.5, isn't it? This will become 19.5. The difference is 11.5, which is equal to, the difference is 46. Therefore each part is 4. 11.5 parts 46 ante each part 4. Then he is asking for the average of students in class A and B. Total 11 parts, isn't it? 1 part 4, not total 11 parts. We should consider this ratio now. So total 22 parts, 22 4s are 88 students are there. The average is 44, option 3. Next, a cone of height 18 cm and radius 12 cm is cut into two parts by plane parallel to base. It is cut the height into two equal parts. What is the total height? 18. So the height of this part is 9 and the remaining part is also 9, because it is cut into two equal parts. So actually what is here, we can find two cones there, smaller cone and the bigger cone. So here the height of the cone is 9. What about the height of this? 18. So the ratio of the heights is 1:2. In the same manner, the radius will also be divided in the ratio 1:2. What is the complete radius? 12. So this should be 6, isn't it? Then what is the volume? 1/3 pi r square, 1/3 pi r square, that is 6 into 6 into height 9. 3 cancels 3 times. So it should be a multiple of 11, but here mixed fractions are given. We should definitely calculate it. ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 36, 108, 22, 216, 216, 2376 by 7, 3 times, 3 times, 9 times, 339 something. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, Sweta lent some amount to her 3 friends Harita, Sarita and Kavita in the ratio of 25, 19, 15 respectively. If Harita, Sarita and Kavita have to pay simple interest at the rate of 15%, 20% and 25% per annum respectively, the total interest received by Sweta in 2 years is 22,600, and then find the total amount Sweta lent to her friends. So from all these friends she got 22,600 as interest. He is asking for the total amount lent. The ratio is 25:19:15. Therefore it should be, the total parts is equal to 59. So the amount should be a multiple of 59. Only two options are there. For example, if we consider 59, what is the maximum interest she is getting from one person? 25% is the maximum. For example, if we consider that the rate of interest is 25 for all the persons, then what will be the amount she earns from 59,000? 25% of 59,000 will be approximately 15,000, isn't it? But it is more than 15,000. Obviously, our answer should be 1,18,000. Understood or not? If we give maximum percentage to all the persons, we are getting only 15,000, but it is 22,000. Definitely, it is not equal to 59,000. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందా? మనకు అదే వచ్చిందండి ఆన్సర్. మ్యాక్సిమం పర్సన్ ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ కంటాడు? ఎస్, దెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 year అది కరెక్ట్. 2 years అయితే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 year అవర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 118. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 2 years డెఫినెట్లీ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ 59,000 షుడ్ బి ద ఆన్సర్, రైట్? A sphere is of radius 4.2 centimeters cut into 8 equal parts, then the surface area of each part is. If a sphere is cut into 8 equal parts, then each surface area will be, ఒక చిన్న చిన్న పార్ట్ వస్తుంది కదండి. 8 parts అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎలా కట్ చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్, మళ్ళీ హాఫ్, మొత్తం 8 వస్తాయి. 8కి ఉండేది పైన సర్ఫేస్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, ఇంకెన్ని సర్ఫేసెస్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి చెప్పాలి. ఏదైనా ఒక ఫ్రూట్ని కట్ చేసినట్టు మీరు ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకుంటే, మొత్తం 8 parts చేస్తే వచ్చే యాపిల్ అనుకోండి, వచ్చే ఆ చిన్న పీస్కి ఎన్ని సర్ఫేసెస్ కనబడతాయి మనకి? యాక్చువల్గా పైన ఉండేది ఇలా షేప్లో ఒకటి, మూడు సర్ఫేసెస్ కనబడతాయి. అర్థమవుతుందండి? మొత్తం 4. యాక్చువల్లీ హియర్ ద రేడియస్ ఈజ్ 4.2. మీరు ఒకటే డైరెక్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ద ఎంటైర్ అవుటర్ సర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 8 equal parts. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఎ స్పియర్? 4πr² is divided into 8 parts, that is 4πr² by 8 is half πr², plus there will be 3 other faces for which the area of each face will be 1/4 of a circle. క్వార్టర్ అంటాం దాన్ని. ఇలా ఉంటుందండి. అర్థమవుతుందండి? ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో యాక్చువల్లీ దట్ ఈస్ 3 faces will be there. Therefore 3/4 of πr² will give 5/4 of πr². Please remember this formula. If a sphere is cut into 8 equal parts, the total surface area of each part will be 5/4 into πr². Here the radius will be 4.2 only. 5/4 into 22/7 into radius is 4.2 into 4.2. క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసి వేసుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే దీనికి 11 multiple మనం చూడలేం, బికాస్ పైల్లో ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి. ఆన్సర్ లేదు దాంట్లో. ఇఫ్ ద హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 2 numbers is 16 and their ratio is 12:17, ratio of sum and difference of their numbers is A:10. If the HCF is 16 and the ratio is 12:17, the numbers will be 12 into 16 and 17 into 16. Ratio of sum and difference of the numbers is, sum is 29 into 16 and difference is 5 into 16. The ratio is 29:5. It must be equal to A:10 kadandi. Ante 58:10. 29:5 is nothing but 58:10. Therefore A is 58. If A is 58, A minus 10 is 48. చెప్పండి, అర్థం కాలేదా? ఈ నెంబర్లు తెలుసా? అవి యాడ్ చేయండి, అవి యాడ్ చేయండి. 16 కామన్ అండి, 29. 16 ఇంటూ 29 అవునా? డిఫరెన్స్ వేయండి, 16 కామన్ అండి, 5. సింపుల్ పాయింట్ బస్. సరే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ టు బి యాడెడ్ టు 2856 టు మేక్ ఇట్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 8, 15, 21, 24? ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎల్సిఎం లేదా ఒక్కొక్క నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవడం, డివైడ్ అవుతుందో లేదో చూసుకో. ఏది బెటర్ చూద్దాం. ఎల్సిఎమా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ టు బి యాడెడ్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 8, 15, 21, 24? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ 8, 15, 21, 24? మనకి 120 సరిపోదు. ఈ మూడిటికి అయితే 120 సరిపోతుందా ఏమండి? మరి ఆ 120 యాక్చువల్లీ 120లో 3 ఉంది, బట్ 7 లేదు. కాబట్టి 120 ఇంటూ 7 విల్ బి ద ఎల్సిఎం. 840. 840 వేసుకోవాలండి. 840 2 times 1680, 840 3 times 2520, but it is more than 2520. 844 times 3360. 3360 రావాలంటే ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి? 504, ఆప్షన్ 3. మల్టిపుల్స్ 840, 1680, 2520, 3360. సరే, in an office there is a certain number of employees. 20% of the employees do not like sweets. 62.5% of employees who like sweets are females, and the average number of male and female employees who does not like sweets is 85. సో ఇక్కడ పర్సన్స్ హూ లైక్ స్వీట్స్ 80% కదా. దాంట్లో 62.5% ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 5/8 మీన్స్ 50% female, 30% male. So here the average number of male and female who doesn't like sweets is 85. Actually average is 85 means sum is 170, isn't it? 20% is 170. He is asking for the number of male employees who like sweets. 30% is how much? 385s, 255. 20% is 170, 30% is 255. Next, a power 4 plus 1 by a power 5 is 898. Then a square plus 1 by a square is plus 2 square root 30. Then we should know the value of a minus 1 by a in order to find the value of a cube minus 1 by a cube. What is a minus 1 by a now? Minus 2 square root. Minus 2 means 28. Square root is 2 root 7. Isn't it? Root of 28 is 2 root 7. Then cube. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus 1 by a cube is k cube plus 3k. 56 root 7 plus 6 root 7, 62 root 7. ఇది కొంతమందికి అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చేమో అని నా ఉద్దేశం. డైరెక్ట్ స్టెప్ మీకు చెప్పే ఉంటారేమో, చెప్పలేదా? A jar contains 520 liters mixture of milk and water and the quantity of milk is 80 liters more than the water. If 2a liters of water is added to the mixture, then the ratio of the water and milk becomes 5:3. Total 520, difference 80, means 300, 220. So here milk is more water. Now 2a liters of water is added to the mixture, then the ratio of water and milk becomes 5:3. Water 5, milk 3. Understood? So here we added only water. Milk is not disturbed. So it should be 300 only. Then it will become 500. That is 280 liters of water is added, which is equal to 2a. 2a equal to 280, a equal to 140. Sin A equal to cos B. Sin A equal to cos B means A plus B is 90. If sin A is equal to cos B, A plus B is 90. Directly you can use any value for A and B. Let's consider A equal to 45 and B equal to 45. Then cosecant 45 is root 2. Square is 2. 2 into 2, 0. Sin A is equal to cos B is nothing but A plus B is 90. 4 terms are in AP and their sum is 56. 4 terms are in AP and their sum is 56. The ratio of product of extremes to the product of means. So product of extremes, product of means, the largest number means this. He is asking for this number, largest number. So actually this largest number is involved in the product of extremes, which is 115. So if we observe the options, which is the factor of that product? 115 ki factor ఏ ఉందండి దీంట్లో? ఎంత ఉందండి? That's all. For example, if it is 23, this must be 5, isn't it? 23, 5 is 115. Then for giving 187, 187 lo multiples ఏమన్నా అండి? 187, 11 17s, 11 17. If you observe the numbers, all will be in arithmetic progression. Okay. If the selling price of radio is X, the shopkeeper gets a loss of 16%. If the shopkeeper sold it for 430, X plus 432, he earned a profit of 8%. So what is the difference of two values? 432. What is the difference of percentages? 24. One is loss, another is profit. Difference is 24. 24% is 432. What is the cost price means 100%. 24, 1 time 192, 8 times. Therefore 1800 is the cost price. Next. Suma invested 5,200 in a simple interest scheme at the rate of R plus 10% per annum for Y years. Seema invested 3,900 in a simple interest scheme at the rate of R% per annum for Y plus 3 years. The rate of interest received and the ratio of interest received by Suma and Seema is 4:5. Here, two variables are there. Two variables are used. For example, ఇక్కడ Y years యూజ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ కూడా Y years యూజ్ చేసి ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుందంటే రేషియో వేసినప్పుడు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి, కానీ ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ R plus 10% యూజ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ R యూజ్ చేసాడు, పోనీ ఇక్కడైనా R plus 10 యూజ్ చేసి ఉన్నా అవి క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యి ఒక వాల్యూ వచ్చినాం. సో బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ దట్స్ ఆల్. ఒక 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇలాంటివి ఇచ్చేద్దామని. వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ sin alpha plus cosecant alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square minus 5 is. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా చేసేయచ్చండి, ఇది పెద్ద కష్టమేం కాదు. సైన్ ఆల్ఫా ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ చేసేయండి, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుందా, కాస్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుందా, 1. కొసీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఆల్ఫా, సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఆల్ఫా, 2 sin alpha cosecant alpha will give 2. 2 sin alpha into cosecant alpha will give 2. 2 cos alpha into cosecant alpha will give 2. Minus 5 అన్నీ పోయాయి. cosecant square plus secant square is nothing but cosecant square into secant square. మీకు తెలుసా విషయం? cosecant square ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో ఈ పాయింట్. cosecant square plus secant square equal to cosecant square into secant square. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఇది. రెండు ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి. బికాస్ ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 1 by sin square plus 1 by cos square, you will get sin square plus cos square by sin square into cos square, which is 1 by sin square into cos square, which is cosecant square into secant square. So if we write that in place of this, the answer will be cosecant alpha into secant alpha. Two poles of heights in the ratio 2:1 which are standing on either side of angles of elevation from the midpoint of the road are complement to each other if the width of the road is 80, then the height of the longer pole is. రోడ్కి మిడ్ పాయింట్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 40 ఇచ్చా, 40 each. They are complementing. The angles are complement to each other. One is theta, another is 90 minus theta, for example. So the heights are in the ratio 2:1. For example, 2h, 1h. If we apply tan here, tan, that is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, which is 2h by 40. What about another triangle? Tan theta equal to h by 40. If we multiply both of these equations, we will get tan theta, cot theta into tan theta is 1. The product of this is 2h by 40 into h by 40 is equal to 1. Therefore, h square equal to 40 into 40 by 2. h equal to 40 by root 2, isn't it? 40 by root 2, nothing but 20 root 2. Next, Pradeep and Amardeep enter into a business with the capital of rupees X and X plus 4,000 respectively, and Amardeep left the business after 8 months. If the total profit was 9250 at the end of 1 year and 16% of the total profit are donated to orphanage, while the profit share of Pradeep after donation was 4410, find X. X plus 4000 andi, X plus 4000. Amardeep left after 8 months. Avuna? 3 times or 2 times. Profits ratio adi. Ippudu, what is the profit share of Pradeep? మనం ఇక్కడ వేస్తే, దీంట్లో వేస్తే ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఫ్రాక్షన్ 3x by 5x plus 8000, isn't it? Pradeep share divided by total share, total profit వేస్తానండి నేను. అర్థమవుతుందండి? So here the total profit is, what is Pradeep's share? 4410. What is the profit divided by both these persons? Both of these persons, that is not 9250, that is only 84% of 9250, isn't it? 9250 కంప్లీట్గా షేర్ చేసుకోలేదు వాళ్ళు, 16% ఆర్ఫనేజ్కి ఇచ్చేసారండి. సో ఓన్లీ 84% మాత్రమే షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు. అర్థమవుతుందండి? 0 క్యాన్సిల్ అండి. 21 4 టైమ్స్ అండి, 21 టైమ్స్ అండి, 4 25 టైమ్స్, 25 3 టైమ్స్, 75 175, 25 7 టైమ్స్ 37, 3 7 టైమ్స్ అండి. మనకు ఫైనల్గా వచ్చేది 37x ఈక్వల్ టు 35x ప్లస్ 56,000. Therefore 2x ఈక్వల్ టు 56,000. x ఎంత అండి? 28,000. ఆప్షన్ 1. Next, two circles of radii 5, 3 or 4 centimeter away each other. What is D here? Distance between the centers. What is the distance between the centers? 12. Adi answer. D is equal to 12. R1 is 5. R2 is 3. The ratio of transverse common tangent, root of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square is to square root of D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. This is 20 into 4 root of 80. This is 14 into 10 root of 140. If we divide both the terms with root 10, we will get root 8 is to root 14. D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square is a direct common tangent. D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square is transverse common tangent. Next, the ratio of the selling price of the cost price of the bucket is 7:6. Cost price is 6, selling price is 7. Shopkeeper offers 22.22, that is 2/9. 2/9 discount means the selling price is 7/9, isn't it? 7/9 is the selling price, means 7 rupees selling price, 9 rupees market price. So here our selling price is also 7 rupees. So therefore the market price must be 9 rupees. And the market price of the bucket is 600 more than cost. 3 parts, 600, each part 200. 9 twos are option 2. If the sum of the areas of circumcircle and incircle of an equilateral triangle is 440 by 7 square centimeter altitude, here what is the radius of a circumcircle? A by root 3 pi r square. Okay, pi r square. Here incircle, radius of incircle a by 2 root 3 whole square equal to 440 by 7. Pi is common, 22 by 7 into a square by 3 plus a square by 12, that is 440 by 7, 7 7 are cancelled, 22 20 times. Therefore 5 a square by 12 antadi, 5 a square by 12 equal to 20, a square equal to 48, a is equal to 4 root 3, 4 root 3. If a is 4 root 3, height is, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇచ్చింది ఏరియా కదా, సరేలేండి. మనకి ఏమడిగాడు? ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ అండి. ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ 3 by 2 a, రూట్ 3 by 2 into 4 root 3, that is 6, option 2. In the given figure, ABCD is a rhombus. Triangle BC equal to EC. If ADC 68, ADC total 68, CBE 64, CED ఈ యాంగిల్ అడుగుతున్నాడండి. If it is 68, this angle must be 112 in a rhombus. Any two adjacent angles are complementary. 112. If it is 64, this will also be 64, because both the sides are equal here in this triangle. ఏది BC EC రెండు ఈక్వల్ కదండి. 64 అయితే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 52. అంటే ఇక్కడ మొత్తం యాంగిల్ ఎంత అయింది? 164. If you observe this triangle, రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ యాంగిల్, ఇక్కడ ఉండే యాంగిల్, రెండు కలిపితే ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 16 degrees అవ్వాలి. These two are equal. What is this? Actually, what is BC? That is side of rhombus, isn't it? What is this? Side of rhombus. As these two are equal, these two are also equal, isn't it? So therefore these two angles must be equal, 8 and 8 each, 8 degrees each, total 16 degrees, 8 and 8. Average of upstream and downstream 24. Average 24 ante sum, downstream plus upstream 48. The difference between upstream and downstream distance covered by boat in 2 hours is 32. 2 hours 32 ante 1 hour 16. Difference is 16. What is the speed of the boat against the stream? He is asking for U. 16 కదా ఆప్షన్ 2. D plus U, D minus U. D value, U value individually find out just the U is 16. He is asking for the speed of boat against the stream, that is U, upstream.